Hello everyone, welcome to Rhythm of Flavors. On today's menu is a simple white peas masala. This is our list of ingredients which is also available in the description box below. Let's start off. Take 2 to 3 tablespoons of cooking oil, 1 large onion chopped. Fry until they start changing color. Add 1 tablespoon of onion paste. Fry until the onion loses its raw smell. To this add 1 teaspoon of ginger paste, 1 quick stir, add salt to taste and about 1 to 2 chopped green chilies. 1 stir to mix the ingredients. Add puree of 1 large tomato. Fry the tomatoes until oil leaves the sides. At this point of time, add half teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon chili powder, half teaspoon garam masala powder and add little water to avoid burning of the masalas. Fry this masala for about 3 to 4 minutes. Add just quarter teaspoon of sugar to balance the taste. Our main ingredient, 1 cup white peas soaked overnight, boiled with little turmeric and salt until soft. Add this to the masala and slowly fold them in. Add half cup of water or to your preferred consistency. Give a quick mix while you enjoy the aroma. To end this dish, add 2 to 3 tablespoons of lemon juice and handful of chopped coriander leaves. One last stir and the wait is over to grab a cup of this burning hot and yummy white peas masala. Thank you for watching. Like if you liked it. Share your comments. Spread the word. And subscribe for more recipes.